The early March is still tinged with a wintry chill. Yingqi Prefecture in southeastern Tibet, however, is flooded with blossoms. The peach trees at the foot of Namjang Barwa quietly bloom in the mountain mist. It is often regarded as one of China's most beautiful mountains with peach blossoms. The snow mountain and pink blossoms make up a delightful view of nature. Starting in mid-March, the centuries-old wild peach woodland turns into a sea of blossoms. Pink flowers lay in profusion on the slopes and look tender and lovely against the snow mountains. Its common name is smoothpit peach, or Tibetan peach. It is a wild species native to Tibet. Most of these trees are over a century old. Among them, many have grown over 300 years. The smoothpit peach has a sturdy trunk. Its flowers are rather pale in color, clustering tightly together. Thanks to the wild peach's varied ecotypes and genetic diversity, its blooming period lasts more than 40 days. The smoothpit peach still perfectly manifests certain features of this ancient species. The fruit of the smoothpit peach has a bitter and puckery taste. Its flowers are whitish pink, like cherry blossoms. Yingqi has the highest concentration of wild peach species in China. The estimated number exceeds 3 million. It may prompt questions from visitors about why they have to come to Yingqi to personally experience the spectacle of peach blossoms. The Yarlung Zangbo Grand Canyon serves as a natural channel, bringing warm and damp vapor from the Indian Ocean ceaselessly into the highlands. It has altered the climate in southeastern Tibet. The humid climate and ample rainfall are optimal for the growth of peach trees. Also, the smoothpit peach has a long history in Tibet. It is widely distributed as a popular fruit in the region. Through the ages, local residents seldom tried to log or damage the wild peach woods. These century-old peach trees are still full of vitality. No man fertilizes or prunes the forest. Yet with the arrival of the chilly spring, the smoothpit peaches always break into beautiful blossoms. Since ancient times, Chinese people have felt a natural affinity for peach blossoms. Ancient literati and scholars wrote numerous verses about them. Tao Yuming, a famous poet in ancient China, wrote in the fable The Peach Colony about a fictional utopia isolated from the chaos of the world. The land is covered with fragrant grass and rosy petals. The scenery of flowing streams and peach blossoms conveys a longing for a beautiful life. Inside everyone's heart is perhaps a special dreamland. Away from the hustle and bustle of urban life, it presents nature in its pristine beauty. The smoothpit peaches in Yingqi always grow with abandon. They have silently flourished on the slopes and in the valley for centuries. The wordless denizen of the snowy plateau blooms and greets one brilliant spring after another.